Good morning everyone! So to be honest, I have been really jet lagged lately, so I've been doing a lot of resting and not being very productive, but now I am ready to hit the ground running and go back to my morning routines. I feel more like myself when I sleep early and then I wake up early in the morning to read my Bible. I love reading first thing in the morning because I feel like I'm not distracted by all my to-do lists. I literally just woke up and it's allowing me to focus and start my day on the right foot. Sometimes I can sit for 5 hours and just edit non-stop, so I'm trying to give myself breaks and trying to spread it out a little bit. I usually only eat curry at home because I can make it, but I do think restaurants taste a little bit better. But something my husband and I always say is, save money, live better, Walmart. This is the most unprepared I've been for a concert, but I just found tickets on Twitter. It's 10:50 right now, and the concert is tomorrow. I got them! Ready for the concert! Outfit, I'm literally just wearing whatever I have. Outfit check. Just got back from the concert. I do not mind having cup noodles right now because I'm so hungry, but that was such a fun concert. Even though I sat up really high up, I was just happy to be there, and then I got the tickets for $120 compared to $200 to $600 that people were spending. I am super thankful. So hungry. I feel like the past few days I've just been going, so it's time for me to take a breather and also focus on my work. A few videos ago, I kind of reflected on what does success mean to me. Of course, my faith plays a really big role in my life, but I heard this John Piper quote, Luke 10:20, rejoice in this, that your names are written in heaven. Find comfort in that. By all means, preach the gospel with all your heart. Love your church, care for your flock, but under all that, in all that, above all that, be more thrilled that you are saved than you are successful. Take more delight in the Savior than in his service. That is the true gift in this life. Whenever I am home, I spend a lot more time sitting at my desk while editing videos or working on content. So thank you so much to Sihoo for sponsoring this portion of this video. I haven't had a new chair in years, and they sent me 2 sihoo office chairs so my husband can have one too. American adolescents 12 to 19 years old spend 8.2 hours a day sitting, while adults over the age of 20 spend 6.4 hours. But now that so many of us work from home, it's becoming even longer. And living in the US, I sit a lot more because I sit when I'm working and I sit when I'm driving. Living a very sedentary life can be detrimental to our physical health in the long run, and we also want to make sure we have proper form to support our body. Sihoo offers a dynamic lumbar adaptive support as it moves with our spinal movements. So the construction of the chair provides spinal support with side-to-side motion chasing in a triangular formulation that effectively supports our upper torso and arms. Through an auto-locking mechanism, the headrest also moves based on where you need it to be. The chair is designed with a cloud netting which is breathable, oil and stain resistant, and durable. So make sure to check out the Sihoo Duro C300 ergonomic office chair by using the link below. So we check in and then take the elevator.
house sitting right now, so I woke up at 5 in the morning to take care of the animals, but then I went to a boxing class.
The little witch was crazy.
I am house sitting right now, and I got invited to go to some content creator event in LA, but the introvert in me does not want to go, but my husband has convinced me that we should go. I feel like if I was going by myself, then I would just want to be at home, but because he's coming with me, I feel a little more secure. I just get nervous going into a space where I don't know a lot of people, and I have to really turn my social battery on. I'm sure it'll be a good time. Hello.
Can we go stand in a corner and talk to each other?
We're already doing that here.
So I have moved 15 times in my life, and I haven't shown you guys my new place. You might have seen bits and pieces in my vlog as well as me moving in, but here is the fully furnished version of my place. So when choosing a location, we wanted to make sure that we were staying within our budget, but also we wanted a place that felt more like a home, while our previous apartment was very commercialized and it was wonderful and beautiful, but we wanted a place where we had more bedrooms, that we could host people. Okay, so we entered the door, and then there is a closet to the right. Let me turn on the lights for you. Next, we have a dining area and then the living room. They are connected. It's very similar to my previous apartment. And then I put up our photos. That one is our engagement shoot, wedding, and then post-marriage. So I put up a Korean table that's foldable, but usually that's not there. So my Korean table is here, and then very similar setup to where I used to live. Ta-da! This is our washer and dryer. I put my Koei water machine here, and then here is our kitchen. If you saw my last video, then you definitely saw a lot of my kitchen, but I appreciate, you know, the space. But I love this little, it's not really an island because it's connected to the wall, but I appreciate the fact that we can put all of our food here, and when people come over, this is a place where we can set it up. Okay, I feel like our office needs a little bit of work, but that's okay. We're keeping it real, and I like to show you guys what's going on in my life. Okay, so here is our office. It makes me feel a little chaotic, but that is my husband's desk, and then that is my desk. We've got bookshelf, hi family, and my little BTS shelf, and then my husband's anime shelf, and I put my printer down there. Then we have the guest bathroom. This actually looks very similar to the apartment I used to live at. We now have a guest bedroom, and there's Cookie, and there's my Bam Bam pillow. Bam Bam can literally have his own bed. Then moving into the primary room where we sleep. So I asked my husband, you know, do you want a castlery bed frame, because that's what our previous one was, and I really loved it. But he wanted something that was super simple and basically on the ground, so I was like, okay. So we just got one from Target. So we opted for a king bed, and it really does make a difference, especially if you have a pet or a baby. I feel like, you know, so many people can just sleep on this. Then here is our bathroom, and then that's our closet. Ta-da! My husband and I are always on the go, whether I am house sitting or going different places. So we basically live out of our travel toiletry bags. But this is where we live now, and I would say it definitely feels more homey, which is what we were looking for. I appreciate the space. We were not looking for a 3-bedroom, but the price point was too good for us to pass up, so we ended up just getting the 3-bedroom, but we are still renting for now. Eventually I would like to buy a house, but I'm gonna have to continue working really hard to make that happen. But I feel like, you know, I have student loan debt and I have things that I want to take care of, so I'm totally fine renting, especially in California, as long as, you know, I am being mindful of our finances. I do invest in a Roth IRA, I put my money in a high yield savings account, I do have stocks, so it's not like I don't have other ways that finances can grow. But yeah, buying a house does not have to be for everyone right now at every second. You do you. Today is a very exciting day. My dad is finally a US citizen and I am so happy and so thankful. He has had a green card for 41 years. If you know anyone who's going through immigration in the US, you know it's many times not as easy as it seems. Thousands of dollars, so many discussions with lawyers in the court, and a lot of difficulties in the last 41 years, to the point where eventually my dad decided to just give up and wait. So that time has now come. I am so thankful and so relieved. And as a child of immigrant parents, at the age of 20, I would have to be, reading all these forms and trying to figure out what this means for my parents and trying to help explain it. Even if they speak English, some of these terms are very difficult, even for me. So I'm so happy and so thankful, that my dad is now a US citizen and this is truly his home, even though he immigrated here so long ago. Like, he's been here longer than he was in Korea. But now I'm like, oh, I wish we could go somewhere or do something all together. So I just need to work harder. But I'm thankful I get to do what I do, and thank you so much for watching this video. I did put up my itineraries from Japan and Korea on this website, so if you guys want to check that out, please do so. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!